Before I get into the video, make sure that you like, comment, and share, and make sure that you subscribe so you can get more of these technology information videos, so you can be up to date with new technology that are be coming out in the future. So let's get into the video. Bluetooth is a wireless technology standard used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distance. Now, it uses short wavelengths, UHF radio waves, in the industrial, scientific, and medical radio bands from 2.02 GHz to 2.480 GHz. Now, Bluetooth is in every single device that you can think of, as in for personal computers, smartphones, gaming console, and audio devices, and also in headphones and your keyboard or your mouse. Now, Bluetooth, people have been wondering, what is Bluetooth? How does it work? Now, Bluetooth technology essentially works by using short-range wireless communication technology to connect two devices together. This eliminates the need for cables or wires. Bluetooth allows you to listen to your music from your headphones and from your phone, tablet, or iPad through your wireless headphones. And you do not have to have a wire headphones, or you don't have to have any wires to it. Now, Bluetooth, the difference between Bluetooth, a lot of people been wondering, like, what's the difference between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi? The main difference between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is Bluetooth is primarily used to connect devices without using cables, while Wi-Fi provides high-speed access to the internet. Bluetooth is a wireless technology standard that is used to exchange data over a short distance, like primarily around less than 30 feet, usually between personal mobile devices. And for Bluetooth, everybody was wondering who invented Bluetooth technology. The person who created Bluetooth technology is Jap Hartson. The Bluetooth standard was originally conceived by the Dr. Jap Hartson at Ericsson back in 1994. It was named for a renowned Viking and king who united Denmark and Norway in the 10th century. So, as we move on, you want to know how Bluetooth works in a phone, because it's primarily in phones as of today, and it's in your headphones too, and how you listen to music as of right now. So, Bluetooth uses low power, low cost transmitter and receiver with a range of 10 through 100 meters, making it ideal for mobile use. Bluetooth devices automatically detect and contain each other, making communication between devices very easy and simple. So, as we move on, the advantages of Bluetooth is it avoids interference from other wireless devices. It has lower power consumption, easily upgradable. It has range better than infrared communication, and Bluetooth is used for voice and data transfer. Now, with all these advantages, you also have disadvantages. Now, the three disadvantages of Bluetooth is, although most devices and many PCs today support Bluetooth, the technology comes with a few disadvantages, including slow data speeds, poor data security, and shortened battery life. Bluetooth lower power design limits its data communication speed for overall the technology that's used it. So that's all we have for you. Make sure that you subscribe for more technology videos and more in other videos or in the future. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.